Located in Tangerang, Indonesia, this urban modern nature house design seamlessly blends contemporary architectural elements with natural features. Situated on a street corner with facades facing south and west, the residence encompasses 217 square meters of land and 200 square meters of built area. Designed for a young couple with 2 children, the layout prioritizes spaciousness and functionality. The house integrates natural light and green views through transparent fields on the west facade, creating a seamless connection with the surrounding residential garden. Skylights in key areas such as the main staircase and bathroom further enhance the influx of natural light. To ensure privacy and safety, the south-facing balcony is equipped with louvers that can be adjusted as needed. Inspired by tropical architecture, the design incorporates elements such as wooden accents and a natural color palette of gray and black. Using ventilation bricks as accents not only adds visual interest, but also helps delineate different facade areas, providing a unique aesthetic from a variety of angles. The interior of the house exudes a bright and modern atmosphere, characterized by clean lines and minimalist furnishings. Each space is carefully planned to accommodate the family's needs, with a focus on creating a comfortable and inviting living environment. This urban modern nature house design in Tangerang, Indonesia, offers a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and natural elements. From its thoughtful integration of light and greenery to its functional layout and stylish interiors, the residence provides a sanctuary for the occupants to enjoy modern living amidst a serene natural backdrop.